Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize Notion icons and emojis in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking New Page in the sidebar, which opens a drop-down menu with page creation options including blank pages, templates, and database views. Click Add Icon near the top of your new page to open the Emoji Picker panel, which appears as an overlay with multiple tabs for different icon sources. The picker opens with the emoji library by default. Click the Icons tab at the top to switch to the icon collection, which contains hundreds of simple vector icons. Click into the search box at the top of the Icons panel. Type Rocket into the search field to filter the icon results. Click the Rocket icon from the search results, which opens a color selection menu with several color variations including gray, blue, red, yellow, and green options. For this example, I'm selecting the red Rocket, which applies it to your page as the icon and closes the color menu automatically. Click directly on the page icon itself to reopen the icon picker menu if you want to change it later. The picker shows all the same tabs, icons, emoji, and upload options for adding custom images. Click anywhere on the page title area to close the picker and keep your chosen icon, which now displays at the top of your page. If you want to remove an icon completely, click the icon to open the picker and then click the Remove button at the bottom of that panel. You can switch between emoji and icons at any time without losing your page content. The icon is purely cosmetic and sits above your title. The Upload tab lets you use custom images as icons if you want something beyond the built-in library. And that's how to customize Notion icons and emojis. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.